Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to make two simple sweet dish using lotus seeds and nuts. Lotus seeds have many nutritional benefits and this is a good way to use them. First, let's see how to make the nuts mix. Roast lotus seeds, almonds and cashews using ghee. Fry for around 5 minutes. Keep cool and transfer to a jar. Then grind it to a smooth powder. You can make extra powder and store it in airtight container. You can store it for a month. I'll show you two simple ways to use this powder. First recipe is kheer or payasam. Let's start with frying some raisins in ghee. Keep it aside. Roast vermicelli for few minutes, then add milk and 2 cups water. Let it boil for 5 minutes. Then add powdered jaggery and lotus seeds with nuts mix. Mix well and let it cook for few minutes. Garnish with fried raisins. Then finish by adding cardamom powder. Enjoy this aromatic, tasty dessert. Next recipe is very easy to make. It is just like cereal. Take 1 cup of red rice poha. Add a cup of warm milk. Next, add the nuts mix that we prepared earlier. Add brown or any sugar of your choice. Mix well and let it soak for 5 to 10 minutes. I am also adding some chia seeds for extra crunch. It's optional. My mom makes it with coconut instead of nuts. I used to enjoy it as after school snack. Make these simple items and enjoy your free time. Please subscribe and leave your comments. Thanks for watching.